finding out how long, tall or far something is. We can use things like blocks or our own footsteps to help us measure. I love to measure things, but before we get started, let's start with our hello song. Let's learn together, come let's learn. With Miss Peerless fun you'll see. We'll count, we'll sing, we'll dance, we'll play. Let's have some fun today. Great job, friends! Look, friends, Milo's ready to measure. Don't forget to keep your eye out and count how many times our cheeky little Milo mouse pops up in today's show. Sometimes we use a ruler to measure, but today we'll use things around us, like blocks, footsteps, and even jumps to measure things. Measure is a big word, Miss P2. What does it mean again? Great question. Measure means finding out how big something is, or how long, or how tall. We can use tools or even our own bodies to compare things. When we measure, we can compare things. This block is taller, this one is shorter. Let's do some measuring together, friends. Look up at the board. Look at this tower of blocks. How tall is the tower? How many blocks tall is this tower? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job, friends. The tower is 3 blocks tall. Look at the next tower. Which tower is taller? Yes, that's right, friends. The pink tower is taller. Let's count the pink blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This tower is 6 blocks tall. Now let's compare these two towers, friends. What does compare mean, Miss P2? Compare means looking at two things to see how they are the same or different, Miss P1. Oh, I see. Thank you, Miss P2. You're welcome. Now, Miss P1, now let's compare the two towers. The block tower, the blue tower, is 3 blocks tall. And the pink tower is 6 blocks tall. Oh, I see now, Miss P2. So the pink tower has 6 blocks, which makes it taller, and the blue tower has only 3, which makes it shorter. That's right, Miss P1. You've just compared the two towers. Great job. We can even measure things with our toys, Miss P1. You can do it at home, friends. Let's try it. We have a toy fire truck and some oranges. Let's see how many oranges long the fire truck is. Great idea, Miss P1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. The fire truck is 3 oranges long. You can try this at home too. You could use apples, blocks, or even your shoes to measure your toys. Measuring helps us find out how big something is, like this fire truck. And we can use all sorts of things to measure, oranges, blocks, or even our shoes. That's right, Miss B1. Now it's time for some speech talk, friends. Today's first speech talk word is tall. Say the word tall together with us, friends. Tall. Great job. What sound do you hear at the start of the word? Listen carefully, friends. Tall. What sound did you hear first? Yes, that's Now let's say it slowly. Tall. Our next word is short. What word? Yes, that's right, friends. Short. Say the word short together with us. Ready? Short. Short. Fantastic, friends. Can you whisper it? Ready? Short. Now, let's shout it. Ready? Short. Let's do one more. Measure. Say the word measure together with us, friends. Measure. What sound do we hear at the start of the word measure? That's right, friends. We hear the sound. Say the word measure together again with us. Measure. Measure. Can you say it 3 times together with us? Are you ready? Measure, measure, measure. Great job, friends. Now let's do some more measuring, but this time let's measure with our feet. Let's see how long this line is by using our feet. How many footsteps does it take to walk from here to there? We need to walk slowly, put one foot in front of the other with no gaps and count out loud with each step. Let's count Miss P's 2 steps together. Ready, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4. The line is 4 steps long. Great measuring, friends. You can measure things with your feet or blocks at home too, friends. You can ask an adult to help you. Measuring is such fun. It's time to move our bodies and head over to the music room. Welcome to the music room, friends. Are you ready to move your bodies? Listen to the music and follow along with us, friends. Are you ready? You are? That's great! Let's dance! We're going to start with big jumps. Ready? Let's go! Jump forward, jump back, jump forward, jump back, jump forward, jump back, jump forward, jump back. Now we're going to do small jumps. Ready? Jump to the side and then the other side. Let's go. Jump to the side and the other side. This way. That way, this way, that way, this way, that way. Great job, everyone. Now we're going to sway like a tall tower about to topple over. Ready? Hands by our sides. Sway, sway, sway. Whoa! Great job, friends. Now let's crouch low and bounce, bounce, bounce. Ready? Let's go. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Great job, friends. Now let's tiptoe. Ready? Great moving, friends. Before we head back to the playroom, let's sum up all that we have learned today by singing our special measuring song.
Step, 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 count 1, 2, 3. Measure with a block as tall as me.
How many times did you spot our cheeky little Milo mouse in today's show, friends? Yes, that's right, friends. Milo popped up 3 times today. Count to 3 together with us, friends. 1, 2, 3. We had so much fun with you all today, friends, but it's time for us to say goodbye. We can't wait to see you all next time for more learning fun, right here at Miss P's Playhouse. And remember, friends, smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends. Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the early years learning outcomes, which you can find in the description below. If you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode. We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon. Remember, smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.